Hi, let's talk about this car brake drum uh, die forge. This is what I have been make this week. You can see this car brake drum, and I used a flat iron cover to prevent the falling of charcoals, and you can see these holes for incoming air. And you can see my blower, draft controller, and this is a 2.5 inch air blower. I use this one is a Chinese blower. You can see details, single phase, 1.6 ampere, 220 volt, RPM is 3000 to 3600. So this is what I made from the car brake drum. This handle is to help to keep the iron things when I am forging, and I made this for the balance and the multi-usage balance and keep hammers and others. This door for dump ash. And also you can try one like this in your home garage. I think you would enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and little like. Thank you very much.